everybody on how to be able to make a YouTube channel account. So it's actually very simple. The only thing that you require is to have a Gmail account. So all you would do is go to your browser and then just type in Gmail account. Okay, and you want to go ahead and sign up if you don't have one. If you already have one, then you can just go ahead and use that Gmail account. So if you click on create account, okay, all you would do is go ahead and enter your credentials, and then once you've done that, basically to be able to create a YouTube channel. So as you see, this is a Gmail account here, and I don't have a YouTube channel yet, but basically what you would do once you create the Gmail account, okay, just make sure you're there, and then you can just go to the easiest thing is to actually go to Google, and it'll have the option there where you can directly go to YouTube. But one thing I can do is I can click on YouTube here, okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch accounts, and this one here I have nothing on it. I've never used it before, but basically as you see, I'm able to go to YouTube and be able to use it. However, this is just your Gmail account that gives you access to YouTube. You still need to actually create. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on create channel or create channel, and then click on get started, and then you want to of course select. So I'm gonna go with this. Let's see, or actually I'm gonna use a custom name, so I'm gonna click that. And the channel name can really be anything that you want. If you want it to be your name, if you want it to be your company name, it just depends on you. It can be anything really. So I'm just gonna call it YouTube monkey, something like that. It doesn't matter, it can be anything. Python, so I'm gonna call this one Python Ninja, maybe. It can be anything you want, so call it Python Ninja. Now keep in mind, if it's already taken, then yeah, I think it'll let you know, but I'm gonna try it, see what happens, see if Python Ninja will work. So yeah, there we go. So Python Ninja will work. So that's it. Then you can go ahead and upload your pictures. So I'm just gonna upload something real quick. Okay, and there we go. So now I got this profile picture. Of course, this is like very simple stuff I did online, but you can definitely be able to use something like GIMP, or I mean there's a ton of applications that you can use that are open source, and they were great to be able to create a great profile picture. And then you want to go ahead and include about your channel, so that's the channel description. So I'm just gonna basically enter something. So this channel is all about Python programming, okay, and just keep it short. Of course you can add as much as you want, and then if you want to go ahead and add a website URL, you can do that. I'm not gonna add anything right now. You can also add social media links directly. You can also set those up later. Then after that, hit on save and continue. Okay, and there we go. Now there's our new channel, or my channel, called Python Ninja, and this would be the third channel. I already have two. One main channel, the other one that I'm starting to work on, and of course this one just for testing purposes. And you can start uploading videos. Oops. Okay, and that's it. Next video, I'll go ahead and show you how to be able to create videos and be able to upload them, and be able to I'll show you some tricks as far as how to be able to get these videos. Not every single video, especially when you're starting off, it's not gonna rank, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you some I'm gonna give you some hints to be able to make videos that will rank. Just keep in mind, it's not gonna be 100% on all of them, but it's gonna at least help you out to be able to, like, because if you're just starting, like the first couple videos are not gonna be found basically. So I'll go ahead and show you some ways to, you know, make them more noticeable. So that's it for now. Bye.